Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the DocSmart brand, their 28-ounce USB rechargeable electric protein blender bottle. It's all Tritan plastic BPA-free. So Tritan plastic is the safest plastic in the world. Not only is it BPA-free, it's also free from BPS, which is another nasty chemical. So it's basically medical grade plastic, and this is a very safe medical grade silicone, and this piece you could remove sliding it down. So this is really unique. You can enjoy smoothies and say goodbye to lumps. This has a 6,500 RPM powerful motor and strong enough to blast away any lumps and turn your protein shake into a silky smooth indulgence every time. You can use for protein shakes, powders, fiber drinks, meal replacements, anything that you want to put water with powder in, it'll blend it up. Even making chocolate milk, it'll work fine for that too. It's very functional, designed very large capacity. It's 28 ounces, 800 milliliter. And it's got a mark on there for 24 ounces, but I've filled it up all the way to the top and tested it. And this is great to, on the run, you want to make a protein shake and take it with you, fill it up and grab this and put it in your car. It'll fit in a lot of automobiles. So it has a very good plastic. It's totally odor resistant. It won't absorb any taste or smell from whatever you put in there. This has a built-in 700 milliamp hour lithium battery. Charge time is fully dead, about 1.5 to 2 hours. And you could use this for 14 drinks approximately before you have to recharge it. And we're going to show how this all works. Comes with a little instruction manual right there, and it has the top right here, and it has a very nice seal on there. We're going to be testing that out, and a silicone seal on the bottom that can be removed for cleaning. Then you can look inside the cup right there, and you can see that little blade. It's hard to see. I'm going to put a flashlight inside here. Get an idea of what that blade looks like. There's a shadow of it. You can see it's very unique and designed so that it will blend things up. And there is a seal inside there, between there and the rotation mechanism, and there's a bushing in there. So the bottom of this has the motor drive unit, the power. There's also a charge indicator. And on the bottom of this is really simple. You remove the silicone sleeve, and there's a USB-C charging port on there, and they include the cable. When you charge it up, I'm going to show you what happens. This thing breathes, and when it goes solid, that's when it's fully charged. So there I have the included cable to a USB 1 amp port, USB-A port, USB-C, and you can see it's just basically doing a breathing motion. And when that stops breathing like that, that means it's fully charged. If you go to turn the unit on and it does that breathing motion, it means that it's time to charge the battery. It's very simple to use. Once you've charged it, you just hold this down for about 5 seconds, and it comes on, and you can see the gear right there. It's got some torque to it, and that's what's going to be coupled to the base of that and causing the blending action. You notice that when it's on, it is white, letting you know that it is fully charged and working. To turn it off, you just pulse it once like that and it turns off. And placing it on here is really simple. It just goes on, you turn it clockwise, it locks in place, you hear a click, and it's all ready to use. So we're going to try this with 2 products, some Gatorade powder and some non-fat dry milk with some cocoa syrup. And so instead of using a blender, which is kind of annoying, you got to plug it in. It's an overkill for most applications where you just want to blend something that's a powder with water. So we're going to give this a try. So we're going to add 1 full scoop of the Gatorade, and because this holds such a large amount, that will produce 28 ounces of Gatorade. And I've added the water. I'm going to put the cover on, tighten it. Now we're going to take the base and just get simply turned on like that. It clicks in place. Then we have the power switch right here. I'm going to hold it down and just let this run. Let's take a look. I'm going to take the cover off right here. You can see what's going on. Pretty nice vortex going on there. So you can see it's thoroughly mixing it. That's really neat. And it's all finished and foamed up. Now we can put the cover back on. Delicious and fully mixed. Let's take a look at how leak-proof this is. Nothing coming out. Very nice. Now we're going to try it with some. Now we're going to try it with some powdered milk. We're going to put a cup of powdered milk in there. Again, because this holds so much, and we're going to put a little bit of chocolate syrup that I made. And now we got the cover on. As you can see the milk right here, the chocolate's probably dropped down to the bottom. So we're going to turn this on. And you can see it stirring it. Now this I filled really high as a test. Let's open this up and take a look. So you can see it's now chocolate milk, and it's got a nice vortex going again. Now let's give it a taste to see if it's all blended nicely. It's totally delicious and totally smooth and blended. After you're done using it, take the base off, and now you could clean the whole cup out with soap and water. And you're all ready for the next time you want to use it. So after testing this product, what do we think about the DocSmart brand, their 28-ounce USB rechargeable electric protein blender bottle with that very safe Tritan plastic? Really nice, simple product, simple to use. As I demonstrated, it blended up great what I tested it with, and it's functional, very simple operation, and you're going to want to use it whenever you want to blend something up quickly and you're on the go. So this is a great product. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you thought this review was helpful, please hit the like button. There'll be ordering links in the information and comments section of this video review. Please use those links when you order this product to help support this channel. I hope this review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.